All right, gents. I have a 2020 RAV4 with the 2.5. This will apply for any 2.5 from 19 to present. This is the non-hybrid car. I don't know if it will fit, so you'll have to check. So basically, I'm installing a grocery getter performance throttle body. I'm not really install it for performance, but more for like that dead pedal feel I have in the bottom. And I don't want to use any like sprint booster or whatever is out there, pedal commander. I don't want to use any of that. So I'll be installing that. And before I install, I just wanted to show you, it's not that hard, but you do have to remove your, like the front snorkel. So basically it's two 10 millimeters bolts. And you have not 7 millimeter, but it's 5/16 bolts, the OEM that are securing the throttle body in the engine, and you will have to replace them with the provided bolts. It's 3 or longer, and this is a 5 bit there, so 5 millimeter. It's not hard to do. You'll have to just remove this and squeeze this. I recommend to remove it so you get a lot of room. One thing I recommend is if you don't unplug the battery, do not touch the throttle body plate. But I recommend you just to quickly, with alcohol, clean the surface on this side. And the throttle body spacer already has a O-ring. So for those who's gonna send me hate mail, say it doesn't give you any performance, I actually agree with you. Especially with these modern engines, it's not gonna give you more power on the top end. Probably, I don't know, maybe lose. Hopefully nothing on the top end. They may give 1 or 2 pounds on the low bottom end. And you won't save fuel with it. Not with these modern engines. But again, the reason I'm doing this, it's for that dead pedal feel. Especially when you're just low speed driving around the city. So I'm going to stop it, and I'm going to replay it once everything's set up. Bye. Alright, so it's been over 24 hours that I installed the GCP throttle body spacer on the 2020 RAV4. Very easy to install, but I want to talk more about the drivability. Surprisingly, it does help. I was hoping more on a very low, like from a dig RPM, but I personally think it did improve the drivability and the modulation of the pedal. But surprisingly, I somewhat feel it more awake between 38 and 52 RPM. Before and after, not that much, but for some strange reason I cannot explain, it seems to give it more pep in the mid-range. Again, this is just like a solid 3/4 minimum inch spacer. It's a smooth bore. It doesn't have the twists. It won't change the sound. Nothing like that. So I just wanted to just share this with you guys. Again, I installed this not for performance wise. I really doubt it will improve fuel consumption. If it helps, good. That's just a bonus. But it was more for that dead pedal feel, weird modulation pedal on the bottom, and I didn't want to use a sprint booster, whatever you call it. So on that note, take care, and I hope it gives you some information regarding that if you were not sure. Take care, bye.